Good Thursday! What are we making today? We're making a Hacienda dinner recipe from Kraft from 1965. Let me say right off, the original recipe is in the description, but we're changing it. It calls for Kraft barbecue sauce. I have a full jar of Sweet Babies in the fridge. We're on a budget. We are so on a budget. We're so on a budget. This might be my last recipe for a while. I'm just saying. Although I have a couple of things I want to do that I have at home, so we have 2 more videos, guaranteed! It calls for a pound of ground pork. I picked up this. Come on. They didn't have ground pork this morning, but sweet Italian sausage sounds good to me. Why do they call it Hacienda? It's really funny. What? Green pepper and onion and barbecue sauce? That makes it Hacienda? Come on, it's really funny. It's funny. Ah, we like funny. Hey, where's the Kraft? Yeah, great value. Why am I using great value? I'm very unhappy with Kraft's current Deluxe mac and cheese. They changed it. Now the pasta is ribbed. It's darker. It looks dark in the cheese sauce. I think the cheese sauce is more gloggy. I haven't tried great value. I like that color. That's not what the Kraft looks like. And we're on a budget. We are so on a budget. It calls for a pound of canned tomatoes or 2 cups. And I was at the store and I saw this, and this is like 14.5 ounces, not quite a pound. Diced tomatoes. I'm pretty sure they use diced tomatoes because it doesn't say to drain them and we need the liquid. It doesn't say to break them up if they were whole. And then I saw this. What's more Hacienda than Rotel? Diced tomatoes and green chilies. I think that'll be good. And we can be sure to get 2 cups with the liquid because we're going to need it for the mac because we're adding the mac dry. The idea is we cook the sausage, green peppers and onions, drain it if necessary. We add the mac and cheese, as is, mac dry, cheese packet. And by the way, the cheese packet in 1965 was a can. So we can't really reproduce the exact recipe. I feel a little better. Show the picture. We cook the green onions and pork, drain it if necessary, add everything else, cook it for like 20 minutes, I think. And if it isn't fully cooked, we'll add water, I guess. Or maybe more tomato juice. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Macaroni. Right. Why couldn't I just cook the pasta?
Cover and simmer 20 minutes. God. Oh my God. How did that happen? No! Okay. Well, I was supposed to... My microwave is dead. Put the tape here to stop me from using it. I was supposed to set the timer, and now the timer, the surface light doesn't work, the vent doesn't work, and I liked those. It's 20 minutes, I don't think we're done, and the kitchen light's out, and the stove light is out. It's been simmering for 20 minutes. Let's see if it's done. No, but it is soft. Let's stir it. Where's the lighting? I'm not gonna add any water. We're just gonna, let's cook it another 10 minutes. I really relied on this stupid thing. Microwave was dead, but the light worked, the timer worked. 30 minutes. Let's see. They're done. Hey! Huh! Ooh. Not the same color as the picture, but it's not that far off.
It's very thick. It smells good. Yummy.
This looks pretty good to me. And it didn't need any more liquid. It's thick. Let's try it. Ooh, I'm kind of excited. Hacienda dinner from 1965. It really is thick. You know, as far as mac and cheese, hey, it is mac and cheesy. Let's try again. I like the pork. It's very green peppery. I'm getting a good hit of spice. It was quite yummy. Huh. Well, I'm not sure I'm getting anything unpleasant. Pasta's very tender. It's possible you could go 25 minutes instead of 30. Very different. You could easily do this with beef. Oh, I'm happy. Except for the microwave. Except for the microwave. It's delicious. That's a wonderful meal. There's like 6 ingredients. Tomatoes, barbecue sauce, mac and cheese, green peppers, onions, oh, and pork. Ow. Hacienda dinner 1965. Come on, it's actually very tasty. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I don't know, leftovers. Thanks for watching. Hey!